Honor Pad 9 just launched before few days ago. Huge fast refresh rate display, Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor, slim and lightweight in design, huge battery, and many more. Today I am going to show you unboxing and first impression of Honor Pad 9. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. So, when you open the box of the Honor Pad 9, the first thing you see is the Honor Pad 9 itself. Along with it, you'll find a cloth for cleaning the screen. Inside, there's a data cable and a 35W power adapter that comes with a Type A output. That's all that comes in the box. Turning on the Honor Pad 9, you'll notice the huge 12.1-inch screen size. This is Honor's first tablet with a matte screen, which removes 98% of specular reflections. This is the biggest advantage of this screen. Even in strong light, you won't see reflections, which protects your eyes. With Honor's Magic Pencil 3, using this tablet feels like writing on paper. The pen also has a hard writing feature, so pressing harder gives a real pen-like feel. The screen quality is also very good. This tablet features a 12.1-inch LCD screen with a 2.5K resolution, providing 249 pixels per inch density. It boasts 500 nits brightness and a 120 Hz refresh rate, which is not commonly found in tablets at this price range. Hence, it offers excellent value for money. It comes in white, gray, and blue color options. The camera at the back is centrally placed, showcasing symmetrical beauty that never goes out of style. This tablet comes with 8 speakers and two-way vocal enhancement support, promising an immersive experience for music and video watching. As for performance, the Honor Pad 9 features a Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor, up to 12GB of RAM, and up to 512GB of storage. Unfortunately, it doesn't support 4G or 5G cards, and there's no SD card slot available. Talking about the battery, the Honor Pad 9 features an 8300 mAh battery with 35W fast charging support. The base variant of the Honor tablet starts at around 1599 Chinese yuan in China, which roughly £180 in UK, and $225 US. In conclusion, considering its price, the tablet offers a superb screen, 8 speakers, and a huge battery. However, it's not suitable for gaming. If you're looking for multimedia usage, this tablet is worth considering. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.